turkey on the red rose on the red on day. Can hear the red flowing, ting, ting. Can hear the road. Diner by your horn, diner by your horn, you horn, horn. Diner by your horn, diner by your horn, you horn. I'm in the kitchen with Dino. I'm in the kitchen with Dino. Let me on banjo. John the barn. John, shh, be quiet. We don't want to wake everyone up. Where's Birdie? You know, he flew away. Away, away. I'm a birdie. We're going to catch the bird. Follow me. Bird, the gang, it'll fly, shh, you'll scare it away. Birds are shy, and they could break very easily, and they could fly up there. You be quiet, Marky. This is the place. Hey, do a cat and nothing do. A car roll over a moon. Your doggy ass is a but shh. And I just ran away. You hold the bait. That's candy. Nancy, now we're gonna dig a hole. What? Dig, 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 dig. Okay, Mary. We're gonna spread the bait. And we're gonna take a little peek and roll the rope over. And also, just in case we're gonna catch a little bird, we're gonna use the house. Big, big, big hole. I dig. No, let me dig the hole. No, not Mary dig a hole. No. The shovel's too big. I have to dig the hole. No, dig the hole. Dig the hole. Dig the hole. You can't dig the hole. Yes, I could. No, you can't. You could dig the hole. Here's the shovel. I have to dig the hole. No, I have to dig the hole. You can dig the hole. Here. You shouldn't make so much noise. You'll wake Mom and Daddy up and they'll say we have to go home. No. Now you give me the bait. No, it's candy. That's our bait. Bait for the bird. No, it's not bait. I hear something. Stay down. Yes. I'm listening for the bird. I see a bird. No, you have to hear the bird. You can't see the bird. You're in a hole. Oh. So get down. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm hungry. You want a piece of candy? Yeah. I'll get it. That's a bait. No, bait. I told you. Okay, now I could have one. No more candy. Who says I can't get one? I'm gonna get one. I got some in my pocket. 1 candy, 2 candies. 327. At the end. Card, okay. I go in the car. In the garage, or the thing, it's a bang out. Do you want to hold the rope? Yeah. You're not holding it the right way. Hold it. You're supposed to twirl it up. What? You're supposed to twirl it up. What? You're supposed to twirl it up. I can't hear you. Get in the hole. No. You're not holding it in the right place. No. I go for you. Be quiet, Happy. I'm not. Okay, then don't speak. No laughing. I was a song. We have to be quiet. No songs. Yeah. Mommy said no songs. So no songs. Yeah. No. I didn't sing a song. Then sing Hi Diddle Diddle once. Hey, diddle. Hey, diddle. Hey, diddle, diddle. Hey, diddle. Hey, diddle, diddle, cat. Shh. I think it's up there now. That's a bell. Shh. I've been working on the railroad all the live long day. I did that. I've been working on the railroad just the time I pass the day. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rising up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dino, blow your horn. Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow your horn? Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow your horn? Fee-a-fi, a fiddle-I-o. Fee-fi, fiddle-I-o. Fee-fi, a fiddle-I-o. Fee-fi, fiddle-I-o. Strumming on the banjo. There's a bird up there. Big bird up there. Are you sad? Yeah, no more candy, bird. Come on, jump down and come home with us. I kiss you, birdie. Thanks. Well, you can live in our room, but you have to be quiet. I'm home on the Ringa truck, the Ricky Shrine. Gonna do a deca, Ringa Rocka, Rocka Rocka, look, the Shreka. Hi, Ringa Rocka, find the Shanga, try it, go in the garage, and then get